What's up guys, Easy Furnace here once again, and we're gonna check or we're gonna figure out how we can unlock this door. For some reason it's stuck, and this is a 99 Honda Civic and I can't unlock it from the inside. I can't even pull this lock up, right? I used keyless entry or the remote. I can't open it as well, and even outside I can't open it as well. So we're gonna figure out a way. I'm gonna figure out how we can unlock it and how we can fix it so that I can share it with you. Okay, so let's go. So now guys, let's go to the side over here. It's kind of hot in here, but hopefully we can fix it. I'm just pulling this lock up. Then boom. Let's see if we can just pull this door lock. Not quite sure how am I going to do it, but I need to. If only I can pry this metal off of that plastic hinge over there, it's gonna be a different story, but for some reason it's hard and I'm afraid that I might break this. I don't want that. Alright guys, so it doesn't work. We need to do another strategy. So I'm planning to pull this cover off as well, and this back cover up as well, and I'll pull up this chair as well so that we can have space. Alright, let's go and do that. We're gonna need one of these to unscrew this back part of the chair over here, and let's screw one over here and one over there as well. Nothing else. Let's go. Alright guys, so for you to be able to pull up this chair back chair, there's a lock right over here, right, which is right over here as well, and then another one right here, another one right there. It's all at the back there, this one and that one. Those are the locks. Oh no, that one. Okay, so we just have to remove this panel right over here. We just have to remove from here, from this side to the other side. It's very easy. Alright guys, so we have more spaces here right now. You can finally fill that off, and right over there as well, so we can get access to the store. Let's go. Alright guys, so what I did to remove this panel is I started to crack it up from here, going down slowly, and right at this part you need to apply a bit of pressure. This side right over here is much easier. You just need to pull it up a bit and then apply a little bit of pressure, but be careful not to break it. Okay, now we're going to take this panel out. Alright guys, so that you would be able to remove this cover, you just have to apply pressure and pull it a bit like that. As you can see, it's loosened up already, and then you just have to pull it up like that, just like that. You see, it's removed now, and then don't forget to remove this socket right over here, or wirings over here. Just have to press on it at the bottom and then pull it out. There you go. So you just go ahead and put it right back there, and I've been really thinking hard, and now we are finally here and we'll be able to crack it open. I'm happy. Alright guys, so we're finally here. So this is the one in charge for the lock, and this is the one that you use to unhinge your door, and this is what I'm talking about, the keyless entry. And right over there, I don't know if you guys can see that like white one over there is the child's lock. So if it's all the way down, then it's lock, child's lock, and then only to this, press it all the way up and it will be unlocked. So that's the first thing that you should check on. Alright, and then let's try to push this door. It won't crack open because it's locked here somehow. So I'll try to pull this bar right now. Actually, it's very hard. I don't know why it is very hard, but it's indeed the suspect. This one is not loosened up at all, as I suspected. So there's definitely something wrong with the lock. Let me check if I can show it to you. Right over there. I'm not quite sure what's going right over there, but we definitely need to figure out if it's really the hinge is a problem, because it won't unlock at all, and that's sad. Yeah, I think we need to loosen this right over here. Right over there. Right guys, so I decided to remove these screws over here so that even though it will damage the paint, it's not that obvious because it's somewhat hidden. Alright guys, so I have finally unlocked it, and let me show it to you. This bar, which is in charge for the lock of the car, is loose enough. This one is loose enough as well, and even the child's lock. But this right one over here, I don't know what it's called. I believe this is the one in charge for keyless entry. I can't even pull it out and pull it back. So this is definitely the one causing my car not to lock or unlock. And I will check and see if I can still fix this, or I will just probably have to replace it. That went into this thing right over here, and this is the reason why it's no longer working at all. It's hard to pull, right? Because it should extend like the other door locks. Alright, so it's open now. The door almost fell out. I forgot that I removed the hinge right over here. So basically what I have to do right now is just put everything back all together. Alright. It's not that pretty hard, right? So if you like that this video was helpful for you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share this video to those people who are having car problems. And I do game reviews as well, so basically I just love sharing stuff like this. Even though this is not my expertise, my main content are video games and gameplays, but yeah, these things are worth sharing, right? So thank you so much for watching. Peace out. If you love all this kind of videos, DIY videos, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated on the latest and the top mobile games and DIY videos like this. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Keep safe everyone. Goodbye for now. See you on my next video. Bye bye.